As always, this is not medical or professional advice. It is a summary of a scientific study. For more information on the study, you are encouraged to visit the original source. The first years of marriage present many challenges. It has long been thought that marital satisfaction starts strong but can dwindle over time. This period is often referred to as the honeymoon period. What contributes to some couples surviving this challenging time? Is there a way to predict which couples will endure these early years of marriage? And are there individual traits that help or hinder the success of a marriage? These are questions researchers are seeking to answer. The study presented here aims to uncover if underlying genetic factors play a role in this trend. Specifically, if a particular genotype is linked to marriage satisfaction among newlyweds. Let's get to the study. 71 couples completed surveys about their relationship thoughts, bonding issues, non-bonding issues, and relationship satisfaction within 3 months of marriage. Over the next 3 years, both partners reported on their marital satisfaction every 4 months. Additionally, participants provided saliva samples for DNA analysis. The researchers focused on variants in the CD 38Rs3796863 gene. Previous studies have suggested that the CD38 gene is linked to personality traits that could contribute to positive relationships. This study aimed to further explore this research by examining the variants within that genotype. Using this longitudinal data, researchers compared variants of the CD38 gene to determine how the variants relate to relationship maintenance processes and early marriage satisfaction. Now, the results. Building upon earlier research, the study revealed that individuals with the CC genotype reported higher levels of gratitude, trust, and forgiveness compared to those with AC or AA genotypes. The CC variation consistently correlated with heightened traits associated with marital satisfaction. Notably, trust emerged as the most significant predictor of relationship satisfaction compared to gratitude and forgiveness. Additionally, husbands with the CC genotype felt more connected to their partners and were less inclined to consider other romantic options than husbands with ACAA genotypes. These advantages for CC individuals remained consistent over the initial 3 years of marriage. The findings suggest that the genotype may be linked to specific aspects of relationship maintenance rather than overall positivity. The researchers conclude by emphasizing that lacking the CC genotype doesn't mean relationship troubles are inevitable. There are many other factors to take into consideration. Now my thoughts. As with all studies, we're left pondering the why. I can think of many questions myself. For instance, why does this particular gene lead to increased feelings of trust? Is this variant linked to the love hormone oxytocin? Previous studies suggest so. What percentage of the population carries this variant? It would also be intriguing to explore gender differences. Is a marriage more likely to succeed if both partners have the CC genotype? Or is it more successful if the wife rather than the husband has this genotype and vice versa? It's important to recognize the limitations of this study. It does not mention the sex of the married couples and may not include same-sex couples. Future research could explore genetic influences on relationship dynamics within diverse populations. While these findings shed light on the potential influence of genetic variations on relationship dynamics, it's important to acknowledge that they represent just one piece of the puzzle. Gene regulation is a complex process influenced by various factors, including environmental cues and epigenetic modifications, which can't be fully captured by genetic studies alone. Our behaviors, experiences, and relationships are shaped by a multitude of factors beyond our genes, highlighting the nuanced and multifaceted nature of human biology and behavior. Therefore, while genetics may play a role, it's crucial to recognize that we are not solely defined by our genes. It's not a simple black and white scenario, but rather a dynamic interplay between genetic predispositions and environmental influences. I hope you enjoyed this synopsis. Stay tuned for our next study. Isn't science fascinating?
Well, hey there. I wanted to take a moment to share our mission. Our goal is simply to share studies and research with everyone. Could you help us out by subscribing right now? It would really make our day, and it's not a lot of work. Go ahead, push the button. Thanks for watching.